Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you on the Baby Girl Lacquer Sunshine City collection. NeNe from Baby Girl Lacquer contacted me and offered me to swatch her newest collection. So in today's video I will show you live swatches on my natural nails. This is a 4-piece collection named Sunshine City collection, and all of these 4 polishes are solar polishes. That means that they are changing their color depending on the light that is hitting them. I really like all of these polishes. My favorite is definitely Heliotrope Sunset. I just like the transition in that one the most, but all 4 of these polishes are really beautiful. The base color may be looking quite similar, but once they are changing their colors, you will see in my swatch pictures they all look completely different, and I really love the transition in this, so I think NeNe did a really good job with all of them. But if you only want to pick one, my personal preference is the blue to purple transition. Guess why? Yes, because I love purple polishes, but as I said, all 4 of these are really good. I will leave for you the information on this in the description box, and of course if you enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on my future videos, then also please subscribe before you leave. I think that's it. I will link, as I said, everything in the description box, but if you do have any comments, questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. Thank you NeNe one more time for sending me these polishes, and now I will jump into the swatch portion, so continue watching, and thank you guys so much for being here today, and I will be back for it some more soon, so thank you, bye bye. That's right.